we turn product confusion into confident picks. If we earn your trust today, return the favor with a subscribe so we can tackle the next lineup.
Stuck choosing between the Nikon AFS 18-140mm and the Canon RFS 18-150mm lens? It's a tough call. Think of it as choosing between a reliable Swiss Army knife and a specialized multi-tool.
The Nikon boasts that classic versatility, covering 18-140mm. It's been around a while, since 2016, and has almost 850 reviews. Is it the tried-and-true option for Nikon DSLR shooters?
Exactly. Imagine grabbing that wide shot of the family, then instantly zooming to 140mm for a close-up of your kid scoring a goal. Plus, Nikon claims 4 stops of VR image stabilization. That's a lifesaver in shaky situations.
The Canon RFS is newer, released in June 2022, and designed specifically for their APS-C mirrorless cameras with the RF mount. It also offers a similar range, 18-150mm. But is it worth switching systems for?
That's the million-dollar question. Let's break it down.
Okay, both offer a versatile zoom range, but the Canon edges out the Nikon with that extra 10mm. Is that minimal difference noticeable in real-world shooting?
Honestly, 10mm isn't a game-changer unless you're really pushing the telephoto limit. But the Nikon can focus as close as 1.48 feet for some cool macro-style shots. Think detailed flower photos or product close-ups.
Good point. The Canon counters with its STM, stepping motor autofocus, which is designed for smooth and quiet video recording. Plus, it claims up to 6.5 stops of image stabilization when paired with a compatible Canon body with IBIS. Vlogging potential here?
Compatibility is key. The Nikon is for Nikon DSLRs with the F mount, while the Canon requires Canon's RF mount used on their mirrorless cameras. You can't use these lenses on just any camera.
Precisely. It really boils down to your existing setup. Are you already invested in the Nikon ecosystem, or are you embracing Canon's mirrorless future?
And let's talk budget. The renewed Nikon is significantly cheaper, around $230, while the renewed Canon hovers around $400. Is the Canon's newer tech worth the extra cash?
If you're on a budget and need a reliable all-rounder for your Nikon DSLR, the Nikon 18-140mm is a fantastic value. It's got a 4.7-star rating from over 800 reviews, so people seem to like it.
But if you're shooting video on a Canon APS-C mirrorless camera and need that smooth autofocus and enhanced image stabilization, the Canon RFS 18-150mm is a compelling choice. It's a newer lens with features tailored for modern mirrorless systems. Ultimately, it depends on your camera, your shooting style, and your wallet. Now, get out there and capture some amazing images. Don't miss out on our next in-depth review to help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you're always in the know.